In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo import in Zoho CRM. If you've ever imported a list of leads, contacts, or accounts into Zoho CRM and then realized something went wrong, don't worry. Zoho gives you a built-in way to reverse that import and clean up all the records that were created in that batch. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find that option, what it does, and what to watch out for before you confirm it. First, let's navigate to the right place in Zoho CRM. Start by going to the Settings area, which you can access by clicking the gear icon, usually found in the top right corner of your screen. Once you're in Settings, look for the section called Data Administration. This is where Zoho keeps tools that affect your data in bulk, like import, export, and other data management options. Inside Data Administration, click on Import. When the import page opens, you'll see a tab labeled Import History. Go ahead and click that tab. This is where Zoho CRM shows you a list of all the previous imports that have been done in your system, usually with details like the module, the file name, and when the import was performed. Now you need to locate the exact import that you want to reverse. Take a moment to carefully check the list, paying attention to the date, the module, and any descriptions that help you confirm you've got the right one. This is important because undoing the wrong import could remove records you still need. Once you've found the correct entry, move your mouse over that row. On the right-hand side, you'll see an Undo button, usually represented by a curved arrow icon. Click that Undo button to start the reversal process. At this point, Zoho CRM will display a confirmation pop-up. This message is there to make sure you really want to go through with it, because this action will delete all the records that were created by that specific import. Read the message carefully so you understand what's about to happen. If you're absolutely sure you've selected the right import and you want to remove those records, click Yes, Proceed. After you confirm, Zoho will process the request and delete all records that came in with that import. Once it finishes, your CRM will be rolled back to how it was before that file was imported.